That skill presents multiplication of exponents. Recall that when a number is multiplied with itself a certain number of times, we can write it as an exponent. The number that multiplies with itself is called the base, and the number of times it multiplies with itself is called the exponent, also called the power or the index. For example, when 2 multiplies with itself 3 times, 2 times 2 times 2, we can rewrite this as 2 as the base. The number that multiplies with itself is 2, and the number of times it does that is 3. There are 3 2's in this multiplication sentence, so that becomes the exponent. And we read this as 2 raised to the third power Similarly, when 4 multiplies with itself 2 times, we call that 4 raised to the second power. 4 raised to the second power. And when 7 multiplies with itself, let's say 4 times, we have 7 raised to the fourth power, also called 7 raised to the fourth power. When the power of the exponent is 2, we also call that the square of that number. So you could also call this 4 squared. Similarly, when the power of the exponent is 3, we call it the cubed of this number. So you could call this 2 cubed. So the numerical value of 2 cubed is 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. The numerical value of 4 squared is 16, because 4 times 4 is 16. And the numerical value of 7 raised to the fourth power is 2401, because if you multiply 7 with itself 4 times, you get this number. To multiply 2 or more exponents, you evaluate or find the numerical values of the exponents and pretty much follow the rules of normal multiplication. Let's do a few problems. Let's say we want to multiply 3 squared with 2 cubed. 3 squared is 3 times 3, multiplied with 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So we have a 9 here, we have an 8 here, and 9 times 8 is 72. How about 4 squared times 2 squared? 4 squared is 4 times 4 times 2 squared is 2 times 2, and this is equal to 4 times 4 is 16, 2 times 2 is 4, 16 times 4 is 64. As easy as that. Let's try and multiply 3 exponents together now. Let's say we have 2 raised to the fourth power times 3 squared times 5 raised to the first power. Now this is equal to 2 raised to the fourth power is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 raised to the second power is 3 times 3 times 5 raised to the first power is only 5. There's only one 5 in the multiplication sentence. And that's equal to, all of this is 16, 2 raised to the fourth power is 16, times 3 times 3 is 9, times 5. 9 times 5 is 45, and if you multiply 45 with 16, you get 720.